Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Roblox Knowledge Aura. This exclusive item is a symbol of your mastery within the game, showcasing a profound understanding of its intricate mechanics and lore. There's only one definitive path to acquiring it, and it involves completing a series of challenging in-game tasks designed to test your knowledge and dedication. Let's dive into the specifics of what you need to do. The first crucial step involves meticulously completing all lore-based quests available in the primary game world. These quests are not always straightforward. They often demand extensive exploration of hidden corners and careful interaction with non-player characters to uncover vital information. You'll need to pay close attention to dialogue and environmental clues, as these quests are designed to truly test your understanding of the game's rich narrative and history. Following the successful completion of all lore quests, your next hurdle is to conquer a series of 3 advanced trivia trials. Each trial presents 20 challenging questions, spanning a wide array of game aspects, from obscure item statistics to character backstories. To advance, you must achieve a minimum score of 90% on every single trial. This rigorous test ensures that only those with truly comprehensive knowledge can progress. The ultimate and final step in your quest for the Knowledge Aura is the formidable Grand Master's Test. This is a high-stakes, timed challenge where you must correctly answer 50 complex questions within a strict 10-minute time limit. There is no room for error here. Only by achieving a perfect score on this final, demanding examination will you be granted the coveted Knowledge Aura, signifying your unparalleled mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.